There's something undeniably premium about wrapping your Pixel 10 device in genuine leather, and the Bellroy leather case delivers that luxury experience without compromise. Crafted through direct collaboration with Google's accessory teams, this case elevates your device from tech gadget to sophisticated statement piece. What immediately impressed me about the Bellroy case is its seamless construction. The single piece of leather stretches perfectly across the case's dimensions without any visible seams, creating a remarkably refined aesthetic. Despite being genuine leather, the case maintains an incredibly slim profile that adds virtually no bulk to the already sleek Pixel 10 device. This is leather protection done right. The precision engineering shows in every detail. Cutouts for the USB-C port in speaker grill are perfectly aligned, while protective lips around both the screen and camera module provide peace of mind without interfering with daily use. The anodized aluminum buttons feel substantial and maintain the premium build quality that Google established with this year's Pixel lineup. Bellroy offers an impressive range of colorways, from classic black to the stunning terracotta, a warm caramel brown that complements any season beautifully. The lilac and mint options add personality, while ruby red makes a bold statement. Each case comes equipped with MagSafe compatible magnets for wireless charging and accessories. The case isn't cheap, but Bellroy backs their craftsmanship with a generous 3-year warranty against defects. Like any leather product, expect natural aging and patina development over time. That's part of the charm. If you've invested in the Pixel 10 device and want protection that matches its premium positioning, the Bellroy leather case is absolutely worth the investment.